Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to refund Udemy course. So simply in order to do this, first of all you have to log into your account, and after that here you can see this is the main interface of Udemy. So on the top right side you can see the profile icon. So simply place your cursor here. After that, just here you can see go to purchase history. So now here in my case I don't have any coach yet, or I don't have any premium subscription. So easily here you can see the refunds option. So simply if you have courses, so simply if you want to refund, so here in you can refund it. So just here you can see, here you will find the request a fund option, and after that here you can see view all courses, and now here refund method, refund reason, and after that click on submit. So these all options will be available here if you have buy a premium subscription. So in this way you can easily refund Udemy course.